Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into iWriter step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the iWriter website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. You will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to enter your password in the following field carefully. Double-check your credentials for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Once you have filled in both fields, look for the login button on the page. Click the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your iWriter dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Check your email for a password reset link if prompted. Once you reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your username and new password as before. Click the login button again. You should now be logged into your iWriter account. Explore your dashboard to access your writing projects and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.